Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to explain you about TheraFitShoe.com website, and in this video I will tell you, is TheraFit shoe legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website before, then in this unbiased review I will help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. The TheraFitShoe.com website offers you with latest design shoes and some accessories. Here you can see picture regarding it. Also, all the products displayed on this website are available at reasonable prices. Guys, you can pay for your purchase using Amazon Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Amex, MasterCard and many other payment options. Talking about their shipping time, we found that they generally ship your product between 3 to 4 business days. Also, they charge $6.95 as the shipping fee. Guys, before going further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now, let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a legit or scam one. So, we found that the website has a valid HTTPS connection, that is a good sign. Also, we came to know that the website was registered on 14th October 2011. The domain name is old and therefore it is reliable here. Now let us check the About Us page. So here on their About Us page, you will find every important detail regarding them. Their About Us page is really informative, and that is a good thing. Coming to the prices, we found prices to be reasonable, and that is a good thing about the website. Also, we could get at many payment options to make payment for purchase here. Now let us have a look at the Contact Us page of the website, and let us see what all contact information is provided here. So on the Contact Us page, you will see that they are providing you with their phone number, and they're also giving you a space where you can type your message along with your name and email. You can send your query. However, no other information is available here regarding their office address or owner's name. So this was about Contact Us page. Now coming to the social media presence, guys, we could get at this website on various social media platforms like Facebook. Also, the website shows a good amount of following on the social media platform, and that is a good thing here. Now let us check the return policy, and here on the return and exchanges page, you will see that they provide you 30 days return policy. So in case you are not satisfied, you can return your product within 30 days time. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of this website, then do let us know about it in the comment box below. Talking about the customer reviews, we found majorly positive reviews for the website, and that is a good sign. Also, the content quality of the website is good, as they are not showing any copy-paste work, and the content given on the website is really informative. Giving a final statement about the TheraFitShoe.com website, I would declare it to be a legit one based on its good customer reviews, good content quality and good social media presence. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites, then do check the link given in the description area. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts about today's video in the comment box below. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.